Okay, so we're here on Newport Avenue. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. We're gonna check it out here. This is on the corner of 9th Street and Newport here in beautiful Grover Beach. Yes, that is the ocean in the background that you can see. And has some nice views. We'll get some better views once we get inside. So let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, you've even got a horseshoe pit right out front. This was built in 1947. It's got some nice decking all the way around. What's awesome about this is all of this parking space you have here. And you even have like a side gate area. We'll go through that. Got a rooftop deck that actually we'll get to in a minute. Looks out at the ocean. Gives you a nice view there. And this is your backyard here. So it's a 4,500 square foot lot, and most of the house takes up the lot, which is good. That's what you want when you're in a beach community like this. Storage shed here. I wanted to point out just how much space you've got here to pull in your RV or trailer. It's got a side gate access there that goes into a little courtyard area. Give you a look at that. Got your shed. So again, you've got all this decking area here. Now you could make this your main entrance, which we'll actually go through. And the other entrance that you saw there goes in through the laundry room. But check out this view from your deck here. Probably be a lot better if it was not a hazy a day. Just bear with me here. I'm gonna zoom in. You can kind of see the ocean in the background there. Try to keep my hand steady. All right. So again, there's your horseshoe pit. Out there. This deck wraps all the way around. We've actually got a hot tub here, which needs some work. Some nice palm trees. Again, this deck is just really awesome. This is a super great neighborhood. There's the dunes off in the background. Oceano dunes. Pretty nice. So the deck's made up for entertaining. You got a little bar area here. It's actually in pretty good condition, the deck is. We'll go ahead and go on in. It's like your living room area. This is a nice little area here. It's kind of a little reading area here. You can kind of set it up and look out at everything. And back here, we got one of the bathrooms. Whoops, there you go. Let the light adjust for that. So it's a hall bath, and then you've got 2 bedrooms here. This is 1 bedroom here. Looks out at the hot tub. Wall furnace. Bedroom number 2. And this actually has its own shower, walk-in shower. Sink looks out at the courtyard. Goes out to the deck there. Okay, so here's the kitchen here. This will be your space for your refrigerator. So the kitchen. And here you've got kind of a little coffee bar area. Nice little setup there. And these steps go down here. And this is kind of like a little family room area. maybe even another little dining area, if you will. And this is the other entrance to the home. And it's also your laundry area. So here you've got, back out here and you'll see the other entrance here that we're talking about. And that gets you back outside. And out to the front of the home. So we came in on that entrance here on the deck. And then there's also this entrance here. All right, so you got this little area here. Now this is just an under the stairs storage area you've got there. It's also tiled and finished, kind of finished. And this is kind of just a hallway area with a little arch. And this is one of the large, now these bedrooms on this side of the home are a little larger, so you have a little more space. This one looks out to the RV trailer area, maybe a small RV. I keep saying RV, but maybe it's more a trailer area. There's the courtyard with the stairs going up to the rooftop. And you've got a nice little closet there. Another nice bathroom here. And let's go ahead and go on to the fourth bedroom and fourth bathroom. This is your primary here. You got this nice curved wall here, that's kind of cool. I almost think this used to be the garage at one point when the home was original, and it's converted to bedroom space, which is why we don't have a two-car garage or a one-car garage, if you will. So you come in here, this is the primary bathroom. And here, this curves around into your closet. So it's kind of the setup in here. And you got the laminate floors there. There's some slate floors here. And there's your bathroom. So you've got a tub, and you've got a step-in shower here with the pebble floor, slate walls. Really cool little shower there. And there you go. There's your fourth bathroom, fourth bedroom. Nice little house for you. So definitely good if you like to entertain and you need the parking space. This is on a corner lot, so you'd have plenty of parking for you, friends, and family. Again, this is the living room area. Here, we'll just do one more little pan here. Going out to the deck. So I hope you enjoyed that tour. Don't forget to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe. This will get you updates on other tours I'm doing. Plus, I'm trying to do market updates, keep everybody informed of the market. It's always changing, of course. So we'll just keep you posted on things. But thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. Take care.